I am.
Okay, okay. So, all right, sure. Later you can share.
Okay. Can you see
My
now?
stu- my students they say they can see your screen, but
Okay.
unfortunately I can't see anything.
Okay. Now I am going to start sharing my screen to you.
Okay.
Something is wrong.
The students can see.
Hello.
Hello, yes.
Can
Yes.
your students see?
All right.
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay. Now see.
Ayo sini kita belajar. Ayo. Yes.
Let them ask to mute their microphones, please.
Yeah, boys and girls, please mute your microphone.
Okay, I am going to start now. Okay.
Okay, you have pressed
Okay.
recording, right?
Good morning, all. This is the picture of the map of India. You can see here India, which is very near to China, Pakistan, and at the bottom or the south of India, you can see there is Arabian Sea. At its west and at its east, there is a Bay of Bengal. Uh, and you can see here the orange color map. It is Maharashtra. It is the map of Maharashtra in India. There are 27 states and 7 union territories, and our Maharashtra is one of them. So we are going to see festivals, culture, costumes, customs, and many more things about Maharashtra. Okay. And this is the map of our state. You can see here the area of the Maharashtra is more than 3,000 square kilometer. More than 10 crore people are living here. They are the habitants of Maharashtra. Sea coast, we have 720 kilometers sea coast. Means here you can see Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurga, Mumbai, and Mumbai Suburban. These districts of Maharashtra have the coastal region of Arabian Sea. And in Maharashtra, there are two mountains. One is Satpura. You can see from Nandurbar to Gondia, there is the ranges of mountain Satpura from east to west. And from north to south, here you can see the red zone. Here is the another mountain ranges. It's called Sahyadri. And the biggest peak on Sahyadri is Kalsubai. Its height is 1648 meters from the sea level. You can see there are 36 districts in Maharashtra. 36 districts in Maharashtra. And I am calling now from this Nashik district. Now I am sitting here in Nashik city and I am calling you and talking with you from here. This is my district Nashik. Now you can see there Maharashtra has the capital. It is Mumbai. You heard about Mumbai? Mumbai is the financial capital of India too, and it is a capital of Maharashtra. Here in Maharashtra, there are four big airports: Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, and Aurangabad. Mumbai is the international airport, while Nagpur, Pune, and Aurangabad are domestic airports where the people use these airports to travel throughout the country. We have three cities where we have metro projects: Mumbai, Pune, and Nagpur. We also have a cruise traveling from Mumbai to Goa. Goa is a natural place. It is absolutely near to the Maharashtra. The languages spoken in Maharashtra is basic language or the language of government of Maharashtra is Marathi. Other than The people of Maharashtra also speak many languages like Ahirani, Varhadi, Mauchi, Paura, and Gond. Like this is the map of Maharashtra, and I have told you that there are 36 districts. I am from Nashik. Now we are going to see the costumes of Maharashtra. Can you see the picture on your screen? You have 4 pictures. Here you can see this is the basic costume or the cultural costume of Maharashtra. Here you can see a woman has wore a sari of 9 war and 6 war. There are 2 types of saris, 9 war and 6 war, means yard, 9 yard and 6 yard. Yard is the unit of measuring the length. Okay, 9 yard sari, the women are over here. Here is the 6 war sari. In this picture you can see sometimes people men use kurta and dhoti, and sometimes they use lungi too. You can see here a topi cap. This is a Gandhi topi. Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, one of the freedom fighter of India when it was British rule, he has given this cap to the people, and people use it as a Gandhi topi. Here you can see the picture also. Women's wear ornaments on their nose. There is a nose ring, earrings, and the necklace, as well as they use flower garland to make their hairs. Also you can see they wear chappals and men use leather shoes made up of the local cobbler. And in the last picture you can see there is the costume of bride and groom. We Marathian use these costumes for bride and groom. Bride get wear these paithani, and there are so many ornaments on her body, as well as you can find the groom also had the very rich garments on his body, as well as you can have the turban here. He wore the turban. Sometimes the Maharashtrian people who are living in Marathwada region use the pagdi. Many of the people use pagdi. These are the costumes of Maharashtra. Listen me carefully so that you can answer my Kaut questions. Okay, don't leave any word from here. Ma'am, ask someone to take the screenshot because I am now recording the screen, so it is not easy for me. Okay, someone is taking the screenshot, no problem. Okay, now I am going to the next slide. This is the festival. These are the festivals we Maharashtrians. I have only added some festivals, but for we Maharashtrians, every day is the festival. We are very fond of the festivals. You can see here the Ganesh Chaturthi. Can you see how much crowd is there? Ganesh Chaturthi means to worshipping God Ganesha once a year in September or August. We established the idol of Ganesha, and after 10 days we take Ganesha as idol to the sea and run it with a big procession. And within 10 days we worship God with different cultural activities. This is Lord Ganesha, Ganesh festival. Now you can see here it is the Holi. It is a Ranga Panchami. Holi is the biggest festival in India too, and in Maharashtra. We play colors on this occasion. Here you can see Diwali festival. Diwali is the biggest festival of India as well as in Maharashtra. We meet people at Diwali. We have vacations also, and we use firecrackers to boost our happiness. Here is the another festival. It is called Wari. Wari is festival, famous festival of Maharashtra. Lot of pilgrimage throughout Maharashtra go to Pandharpur. Pandharpur is one of the pilgrimage where Lord Krishna in the form of Vittala is worshipped there. People go there with barefoot on their foot without using any vehicle. Means hundreds of kilometers people go on their foot to worship God Vittala here. This is another festival. It is called Gopal Kala, or we call it Dayahandi. People used to mime, and they create more than 9 levels of people, one on one, and after completing their levels they crack the handi, which is made up of the pot of earth or earthen pot. They crack their pot while after completing their levels. More than 9 to 10 levels means 50 feet from the ground they make the tower, human tower. And this is Gudi Padwa. This is one of the best festival of Maharashtra, and our Maharashtrian year starts from Chaitra month, and the first day of Chaitra is celebrated as Gudi Padwa. People used to raise these goodies with you can see the picture of goodies. We use here garland of sweet, you use the garland of flowers, also use the leaves of neem tree, which is a very medicinal plant in Maharashtra. We use the neem leaves here, and also a sari and a pot. These are the festivals of Maharashtra. Now we are going to see. Please mute your phone. Please mute your phone. Okay. Please mute your phone. Someone has opened the phone. Ma'am, please ask your students to mute their mic. Hello. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
We can hear you.
Okay. Okay. Mute your microphone. Okay. Now these are the music and dance. Someone has not muted their microphone, please. Okay. This is the picture of music and dance in Maharashtra. Can you hear me? Okay. This is Koli dance. This is Koli dance. It is in Konkan region of Maharashtra. This is dance of Malhari Nritya. It is used to praise a god. Mallari dance. This is Koli dance. Here you can see the Agri dance. People who are living in remote forest area, they used to do this dance, Agri dance. This is called Agri dance. And this is the famous dance in Maharashtra. It is a Lokadhara of Maharashtra. It is a Launi. This is a Launi dance where the women perform on a stage in a group or isolation. This is a Launi. This is Agri dance. This is Koli dance. This is Mallari Nritya. And this is Warkari dance also. And this is Povada. Povada is used in praise of the great leaders of Maharashtra who was fought against the Mughals in Maharashtra. Okay, now the next slide. This is the food. We Maharashtrians are very fond of the different kinds of food. Here you can see the thali of Maharashtra. This is the vegetarian thali. Can you see there are a lot of things to eat here. Here is the curry. This is the basundi. Here is rasgulla. Here you can see rasmalai. Here chaz. Chaz means buttermilk. Is a paneer. Here is the papad. It is the usal and the potato curry. Here you can see puri and chapati. Here is rice, and we also use lemon squeezes and some chili powder too. This is the here you can see the gajar halwa. Gajar means carrot. It is made up with the carrot, and this is a vegetarian thali we used to eat in Maharashtra. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. This is the misal pav. Misal pav. This is a fast food. Misal pav. Here you can see puri bhaji, pav bhaji. It is also a fast food. It is very famous in Maharashtra. Here you can see pav vada, vada pav. It is the famous food of in Mumbai. Most of the people used to eat this vada pav. Now here you can see a non-veg thali where you hello echo sound is there. Someone doing something wrong.
Your voice is echoing, Teguh Prohib.
Okay. Now no problem. This is a non-vegetarian thali. You can see we used to eat goat meat and chicken and eggs. With that we use bhakri with made up with the bajri or jara. Here you can see the fish fry. In this way we use different kinds of food here. These are the historical monuments of Maharashtra. When you come to Maharashtra, you can visit these monuments. Here, this is the Gateway of India. It is situated in Mumbai, and this is a Taj Hotel, which is a famous hotel. This is Gateway of India. It is on the bank of Sea, Arabian Sea. It has been structured by British government when they ruled India. Here you can see Shaniwar Wada. It is in Pune. These are the pictures painted on the wall of caves of Ajanta. Ajanta caves. Ajanta caves. These are at Aurangabad. Here you can see Bibika Maqbara. It is the Maqbara, or it is the monument of wife of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb, one of the emperor of Hindustan, and his wife Mumtaz Mahal was died at Aurangabad, and his tomb is here. Her tomb is here. You can see this is Elephanta Caves. It is situated in Verul near Aurangabad, and it is world famous cave. It is made up, carved by carving the whole hill near Verul. This is the Elephanta Cave, and you can see the outerior picture of Elephanta Caves, how they are carved into the big hill or big range. And here this is the holy picture of river Godavari. It is the biggest river, and it flows through 1600 kilometers throughout India, and it emerged in Nashik, my district. And I am living on the bank of this holy river. In every 12 years, the people throughout India gather here for Kumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela. Okay. Now next, these are the places of tourism of Maharashtra. Can you see here? This is the Sahyadri ranges. one of the mountain range in Maharashtra. In the rainy season, these ranges looks like this a beautiful scenario there. You can see lot of waterfalls. People always gather here to visit these waterfalls in the time of rainy season. We already have seen these caves at Ellora and Ajanta. Already seen these river Godavari. Here you can see the temple which is made in a stone, and this is temple of Lord Shiva. It is situated in Nashik, Trembakeshwar. Here is the biggest waterfall in Nashik. Here you can see there are the beaches because we have 720 kilometers of sea coast or seashore, so we have a lot of beaches, beautiful beaches. People gather here to visit these beaches, and here you can see the stup, Buddha stup, Gautam Buddha, and these had been it is in Nagpur city in Maharashtra. Okay. Now these are the historical forts telling you proud that in Maharashtra there are 350 forts. 350 forts are there in our state Maharashtra. They are built on land, some are built on the hills or the mountain ranges, and some are on the sea. See, please mute someone. Someone is doing something wrong, and that's why my echo is going. Okay, now it is okay. Now these are the forts in Maharashtra. This is Harichandragarh. It is on the Sahyadri ranges, mountain ranges. It is in Nashik district. Here you can see the Sinhagad fort. It is in Pune district. Here you can see another fort. It is in Nagar district. And this is Rajmachi fort. It is on the Sahyadri ranges. It is the highest fort of Maharashtra, and it was built by Lord our King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who lived here on Raigad. You can see the longest fort of here, Pratapgarh. It is also on the Sahyadri ranges. It is the picture of that fort, Raigad, and also this is a picture of Pratapgarh. This is the highest fort of Maharashtra. Here you can see Murud Janjira fort, which is in the Sea Arabian Sea, which is built in the Arabian Sea, and it is also a famous sea where people went to visit, go to visit every season. Like this, these are the forts of Maharashtra. Now, I already have told that there are two mountain ranges in Maharashtra. Here in the first picture, you can see these are the Sahyadri ranges. And in the second picture, these are the Satpura ranges. Satpura ranges set from west to east, and Sahyadri ranges set from north to south. These two ranges lies in Maharashtra. Okay, rivers in Maharashtra. We have a lot of rivers, small or big rivers in Maharashtra. Holy rivers in Maharashtra. This is Godavari River. This is the biggest river in Maharashtra, who flows through 1600 kilometers, emerged out from Nashik district in Sahyadri ranges. All the rivers from Maharashtra emerge out from Sahyadri ranges. This is Krishna, this is Koyna. These are the biggest rivers in Maharashtra. Godavari, can you see me? Okay. How was the presentation? Okay, you can open your mic.
Thank you, Mr. Pradeep, for such a wonderful
Okay, welcome,
presentation
welcome.
about Maharashtra. I'm sure my students have quite a number of
Yes.
questions.
Lanjutan
Okay,
bakalan
anyone has a question?
Okay, if you
Please.
have any question, you can ask me.
I have a question.
Okay.
Introduce yourself first, Tanish.
Okay. My name is Tanish from 5 Ruby. I want to ask something.
Yes.
There are two mountains. Then
Yes.
which one is the
Boleh sudah naik.
tallest?
Boleh sudah.
The
Huh?
first one or the second one is the tallest?
Kaki tak keluar itu. Tak keluar barang.
Someone. Okay. Don't speak
Keluar barang.
when someone is asking question. Okay.
Tidak keluar barang ni. Tutup
Tanish,
ni.
please ask.
Huh? Okay. Which one is the tallest mountain? The first
Okay.
picture or the second?
Okay, okay. Sahyadri, first one. Sahyadri is the tallest mountain, which has the tallest peak. Its height is 1,648 meters.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
welcome. Again,
Yes, finally.
okay. Can we play Kahoot?
Yes.
Okay. Then I'm going to. Can you see screen? Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Can you
No.
see the screen? No. No.
No.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Kahoot.
Okay.
Right?
Now, can you see?
Can.
Can.
Yes.
Okay.
Can.
Lion.
Yes. Can you see now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to start Kahoot game. Let's see how much you have remembered throughout my presentation. Okay. Shall we start play?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Open your Kahoot.it. Open your Kahoot.it.
Kahoot.it.
Open
Go
your
inside
Kahoot.
Google.
Kahoot.
I don't have
Google.
Kahoot.
Yes. Open your Google and Kahoot.it.
IT.
I
Yes.
Google.
Okay.
Kahoot.it.
Yes.
Play
And
Kahoot.
put this code there, 242010.
Wait. 24
2010.
2010.
242010.
Mana?
Yeah, Dayang, Arika, Iwa, Afi, Oswich, Becca, Wafa, Tamia. Wow.
Mana Kahoot ni?
Okay, wait. Teacher. What? Zero what?
Wait.
242010. Okay,
Two.
Cynthia, 242010.
2,
Cynthia, 9 players are there.
Masih masuk kahut. Kahut.
Okay, okay, pass, be fast. I am going to start. Balkis,
Hey, 2, 4.
242010.
0.
Okay, Jeevan, Priya, 12 players are there now.
Wait. 2.
Wait.
Yes, I am waiting. Be
Game lah.
fast.
Main.
Hanson,
Bukan
80.
tengok.
Hudson, ATP. 13 players are there. Be fast.
Okay, I try.
Okay.
Oh, ni nak play
Shall,
kahut.
okay, shall we start? Looks.
Wait.
Yes.
Shall we start?
Connecting to Kahoot.
14
Nickname.
players.
Woohoo.
14 players are there. Okay, shall we start?
Okay.
Yes.
Tanish.
Woo.
Okay,
Yes.
repeat.
Anymore.
I mean.
Okay, let's start. Here is your first question.
Ready.
Here is your first question. What is this image of? Can you see the image?
No.
Yes. Can you see the image?
No.
3, 4 answers, 6 answers.
A Dewey. Wrong.
Okay.
Yes.
10 answers are there. Okay, next question. Dayang is the highest. Dayang. Okay. Second question. This is the picture of Varli painting. Is it true or false? This is the picture of
I cannot
Varli
see.
painting.
I cannot see any picture at all. This time is correct. Cancel this.
11 correct answer. Okay. Dayang is okay. Who is the highest? Dayang. Yes. Again, third question. What is it called? What is it called?
Wait,
What is
teacher,
it
I cannot
called?
see.
Yes,
Yum.
I have shown it. This is the non-veg. What is called meal, breakfast, lunch, or thali? 16 answers.
Oh no.
Okay, who is the highest? Dayang is always highest. There's the fourth question for you.
Okay, see at all.
What
Teacher.
dance form it is? Is it Agri dance, Lavani, Garba dance, and Warkari?
I cannot see any
Disco dance.
at all.
Yeah, I thought this.
Okay,
Teacher.
next. See. Oh, Oswald is highest. Next question for
Wow.
I
you.
cannot.
This is
True or false?
Elephanta Cave. Is it true or false? This is Elephanta Cave. True or false?
True is which one? True is which one? Blue or red? Because my phone only just show the color.
True blue. True
Be
blue.
fast.
True blue.
True blue.
14 answers are here. Wow.
Aduh.
Okay, let's see who is the highest. Oswald is highest again. Next question. Question number 6. How many districts in Maharashtra? How many districts in Maharashtra? 25, 40, 30, 36.
I cannot see anything. I just press.
Okay. see who is the highest. Dayang again highest. Okay, next question. Where is Gateway of India in Maharashtra? Pune, Nashik, Mumbai, or Aurangabad?
Oh, I know this.
I cannot see anything.
Nashik lah.
Yes, correct.
Wow.
Yes. Yes, correct.
And Dayang always highest. Last question. What is the name of this food? Puran poli, misal pav, dabeli, vada pav.
I guess here.
Come on, come on. No.
14.
Let's see who is on the podium. Number 3, Arika. Number 2, Oswald. And at the top, number 1. Who is number 1? Dayang. Wow, congratulations, Dayang, Oswald, and Arika. Wow. Congratulations. Okay. How was the Kahoot game? Dayang, congratulations to you. You are the topper. Oswald is the second, and Arik is the third. Very nice played. Okay, now I am very excited to see your work on Minecraft.
Yes, Minecraft. I
Okay.
remembered.
Thank you, Mr. Pradeep. Thank you. That was a great, a wonderful session, allowing the students to play Kahoot. I'm sure they have fun and excitement playing the Kahoot game just now. Well, I would like to invite Wafa Wirdani and her group members to present their Minecraft project in finding solutions to combat COVID-19. Please welcome.
Welcome and thank you to you and your students. They have participated well in Kahoot game too and listen my presentation quietly and sincerely. Thanks again, and I am now excited to see their work.
All right, sure. Wafa Wirdani, please present your project. Just give them a few seconds, yeah, to share the screen. Wafa Wirdani.
Today, my group will present Minecraft lesson.
Wow. Who is presenting? Who is presenting?
A few students from their from group 1.
Wow.
It is a collaboration project.
Wow.
They have done it
Very nice.
individually according to their parts, collaboratively.
Awesome.
Name is Ginger.
Okay. Wow. How fight COVID? Very nice.
Okay, can start presenting, Wafa. Teacher Pradeep and your friends are waiting to listen to your presentation.
Good evening to Madam Nirmala, Teacher Pradeep, and dear friends. My name is Wafa Wirdani from 6th Diamond. I am from Group 1. There are 5 members in our group. The group leader is me. The other members are Dania, Sarah, Daniel Izzuddin, and Ian Darrell. We are going to present our world that we have created in Minecraft. The title of our world is Solution to Combat COVID-19. We collaborate among our members to create this world. We divided our tasks and completed our project during this stay-at-home task.
Wow.
Dania's task is creating the world. Daryl and I give ideas, send the examples of the buildings, and teach her how to do the buildings. Sarah and Izzuddin make a script for our presentation via Microsoft Teams in our 6th Diamond class.
Wow.
This is a hospital. It has 3 stories. In the first story, there is a pharmacy and a registration counter. In the second story, we built a ward for patients.
Awesome. Awesome.
Elevator.
In the third story, we create a lab for conducting an experiment. We built an elevator so the patients can go up and down the hospital.
Betul saya. Inilah cerita yang hebat pernah saya tulis. Mana cuba dia sekarang? Baiklah, mana dia semua pelakon-pelakon saya?
We created stairs too. Besides building this hospital, we also built a garage for parking the ambulance.
We also will add arcade. In this arcade, you can play many games.
This is a sea. We can go fishing in the sea. We also built a fishing rod shop for people who want to go fishing in the sea.
Oh. Wow. This is a fuel pump.
This is a tunnel. Inside this tunnel, we also create a secret door so it is easy for treasure hunt.
Okay.
I think this world is better than my world.
Tanish, off your microphone, please.
This is 7-Eleven outlet. This outlet opens 24 hours. In this mini market, we sell some food and drinks. We also sell some books. There are armors too. It is convenient for the people in the town to buy their grocery items from 7-Eleven. This is an eating outlet by the name of KFC. The people can go here to eat delicious and crispy fried chickens.
I am fond of chicken. Huh? Wow. You have generated a whole town on the seashore, and keeping mind all the things should be there in that town. Wow. Hotel is there, seashore is there, fishing is there, fuel pump is there, hospital is there, roads are there. All things you have done. Very well project. Wow.
We also built a cafe. You also can go to this cafe instead of going to KFC. In this cafe, we sell a lot of food and drinks such as fried rice, sandwich, spaghetti, frappuccino, cappuccino, mocha, latte, and chocolate drinks. We also built a balcony for people to chat and have fun.
Wow. Wow. What is this?
This is a bank. We
Bank.
create this bank for us to keep money in the bank.
Okay.
We need to keep our money in the bank for rainy days.
All back.
These beautiful houses are modern houses in a housing area. These houses are modern and have their own specialties. These houses have swimming pool, bed, beautiful painting, furnace, and crafting tables.
Hello. So, yes, yes. तो ये तो.
This is a gas station. You can go to this gas station to refill petrol for your vehicles.
Okay. Means you have vehicles on gas? Hello.
Wafa, please answer the
Yeah.
question.
Do you have vehicles on gas?
Have you created any vehicles to refill petrol?
Yeah, petrol or diesel.
So far, none, is it?
Yeah.
No vehicles yet.
Okay.
You should create vehicles after this.
We also create some shops that sell tissues, hand sanitizers, masks, and hand soaps. We need to wear masks if we feel sick. We need to use hand sanitizer or wash our hands with soap to prevent ourselves from infecting with COVID-19. We also created a banner and it has a message on it. The message is fight COVID-19. We have created a game about fighting COVID-19. It is a treasure hunt. You need to search for the clues to be the winner. The first clue is in the hospital in the third story. The second clue is in the secret door inside the